Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a Google Drive folder to share. So if you're working on Google Drive and if you want to feel like creating a folder and share it with your employees or your friends, this is the way to do it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So just watch this video and by the end of it, you'll completely know how to do it. So the first thing that we need to do is we can open a web browser and here we can write Google Drive or drive.google.com. So we'll be redirected to this drive here. So what we can do is we can go to our drive, click on my drive, and here we can click on new and we can click on new folder. So we can name this folder. For example, I have named it random. Here you go. So this folder has been created by the name of random. And from here, what we can do is we can open this folder. And if I want to add file here, any file here, then let me just do it. Okay, let me find a file and I'll get back to you. Okay, so the file has been uploaded. So this in my folder that is called random. And if I feel like sharing this folder, what we can do is we can click on share and we can either copy a link and share it with the other people, or what we can do is we can click on share and open it, anyone with the link, copy it and then share it with the people I want to share it with. The other thing which I can do is I can write the name of my subordinates or my friends or my employees. Let me just do it. Here you go. And then I can send them this notification that I've sent you the link and you can come and join me here in this group. So I can make this person either an editor who can organize, add and edit files, a commenter, or a viewer. That's completely up to me. So if I send this, the message will be sent to that person. And let's just see. Here you go. I have this email right here and I can click on open and then I will be sent to this folder as an editor. So I hope you got this video and you got to know how to do it. If you found this video informative, please do drop a like and subscribe to the channel as well. I'll see you in the next one.